So, with Wrexham releasing a new kit this week, the new sky blue one, it made me wanted to go and have a proper look for my old retro one from 1995, this one. However, I made the mistake a few years ago of getting it signed by all my favourite ever Wrexham players because I thought I'd get it framed, put on the wall. Never happened. And now it's just sat in a drawer with signatures all over it, and there's not a lot I can do with it. So decided to give it a wash and see what happened. And out of the 18 signatures that were on it, 4 have just disappeared, which is a great start. So I am now, after reading some reviews online, going to try this, the Sharpie approved stain remover. I'm going to give it a go and try and get rid of some more of these signatures. As you can see, some of them have really started to come away. Like Joey Jones's one. It's a shame, but I think I will wear it if it hasn't got the signatures on it. So let's see what happens. Here it is. I've given it a good shake, as it said. I'm going to put it on a bit of the seam here. So I have to squeeze it with 2 hands. So the spot that I did the test on, there's no mark in there. Let's see what happens. It says to put a tea towel underneath to stop it going through. So I'm going to do that and see how we go. So put it on here and I'm going to scrub. Okay, so I'm getting some mixed results so far. So let's see what happens to Peter Ward. It's on and time to start scrubbing. I'm not going to lie, I wasn't expecting this at all. So it's really starting to come out. I'm just going to keep working out a bit longer. Put it in the wash, see what happens. There's a few that have really come away and a few help edges a bit stubborn there. A few of these, I think they're really starting to. Gary Bennett's completely gone from up in the corner. I'll do a few more here. Dennis Lawrence, Wayne Phillips, Mickey T down the bottom. So here is the shirt. Just before I put it in the wash, you can see that some of them have really come away. There seems to be many left. There's a few that are being a bit more stubborn. So it's come out of the wash, and there it is. We've got a few on here. You can still see bits of. I think another bash of it with that. But as a whole, quite pleased with that. So here it is. I'm all ready for the start of the new season next week. The 95 shirt has come up spot on. So in summary, really, I would definitely recommend the Amodex ink and stain remover. There's only a slight bit here and there that you can see. If you at a glance you can't really see it. I'm not sure what the obsession was back in the 90s with buying XL shirts, but yeah, I'm ready to go, ready for the new season. Up to town.